Hello everyone, for today's video we're going to replace and remove the canopy from my Sunjoy Augusta wicker gazebo. So the canopy lasted for about 4.5 years, which is about the average. If you have a soft top gazebo, you're gonna have to replace it every 3 to 5 years. So this is the canopy for 10 by 12 Augusta wicker gazebo. You can purchase this directly from Sunjoy. And if you're not familiar with it, if you go to the Sunjoy website, it actually gives you a lot of gazebo option. They have actual picture and from what store it was purchased, so you can select those and your gazebo is gonna show up if you have a Sunjoy gazebo. Also, if you still have the canopy, you can probably find a tag that tells you what model gazebo you have, and you can just plug that online. So the first thing we want to do here, since this is a double top gazebo, is you want to remove the small roof framing first. So let's go ahead and do that. So if you look at your small roof frame, you're going to see that you have this notch right here. So you just have to press that and then pull the roof framing up. Do that. And then I'm going to have to do it on the other side. Press it and pull it. And then I have to go to the other side. Okay, so now we can take this thing out and bring it down. Okay, so let's remove the old canopy from the small roof frame. And let's go ahead and put the new one. So you want to stretch it a little. So don't be afraid to stretch it, should work fine. And if you cannot stretch it like this, you can also remove this and put it in, okay? Okay, so first is we want to remove the old canopy. And by the way, while we're doing the removal, please make sure to click the like and the subscribe button to help my channel. And hit that bell notification as well so you get notified on my next videos. Now we will install the big canopy. So this canopy is a 10 by 12, so make sure that you get the proper orientation, okay? Okay, so just do it slowly so you don't damage the new canopy. Okay, so I installed the back and the middle, and now I'm gonna have to move this a little so that we can install the small frame. Okay, so once you get the big roof canopy up, you don't want to install it yet because you're gonna have to install the small roof frame first, okay? So let's go ahead and do that. Let me go do the other side. Okay, so once you get the small roof frame, you can now put in all the canopy into the corners. If you have a helper, that will be nice too. But for me, I'm just gonna go ahead and do it this way. Wow, this is like about 4 or 5 inches difference. So I guess I'm gonna have to force it. Let me go put the middle first so I can stretch it properly. Okay, so I cannot put it. Okay, so it's really tight here. So what I did is I released this button right here and just push the gazebo in. And hopefully I'll be able to put this thing in and then pull this thing back up, okay? So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so it looks like it's gonna work. Then I'm just gonna pull this really hard until I get it into the corner. There you go. Man, that is tight. Now, let me go try the other end. Okay, so we were able to install the canopy, but I just want to let you know it is really hard to do it. I was able to install it around, but at the last corner right there and that middle part, it's really hard. And the fabric feels like about 6 inches shorter, and I could do anything yesterday. And I was by myself yesterday and was not able to do it. So this morning, I asked my kids' help and we were able to put it together. I'm not sure what I did wrong, but maybe you have to do it in certain sequence. But yesterday I wasn't able to do it at all. But let me just show you how I was able to do it if you have that kind of issue as well. What I did is I actually pushed this thing in all the buttons on all the corners. So that one there, that one, this one right there, the one over there, that one right there, that one there, that one there, and over there. So basically all this lock right here, I push it in and just let all this frame drop inside. So that's a couple of inches. So when you push it and let the frame drop inside, it moves a couple of inches, but I'm still not able to install this properly. And what I did is I asked my kids help. If you look here, there is this hook right here. So I asked my kid to just pull this thing down. So what it did is when I removed all those locks and they pulled on this thing actually brings it down flat. Okay, and when they bring it down, I was finally able to install this end right here. So that's the last end that I need to do. After we were able to install everything, now this thing looks flat. It looks ugly. And what I did is I just go up here, push on the middle, and this thing starts going back up again and snaps back into the hole. So I did that. I was able to do two corners, but then when I start doing the other corner, the post started lifting up. So I have to ask my kids again. That's why I did not video that part, because I don't want my kids' faces on the videos. So my kid just hold this thing down, and I went around this side right here, and then I just pulled them apart and was able to make that thing snap back in. And then I did the same one here, and then after that we did all the middle. Okay, so now if you look outside, it's back into place. Okay, so it's a little tight, but you should be able to put it back in. I've seen a lot of reviews about this replacement canopy, that it is too short, but just have a little patience. Think about what else you can do to give you some more slacks. And if you have other technique that were able to help you in putting this canopy back into this type of gazebo, please make sure to comment below and let us know how you did it. And make sure to click the like and the subscribe button. And thank you for watching.